Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Drive and navigating directly to the folder you want to add items to. Sign in with the correct account. Make sure you have editor access. Once the folder is open, glance at the folder name and permissions in the header so you don't add files to the wrong place. Now choose whether you'll drag files from your computer, upload via New File Upload, or create a new Google Doc inside the folder to keep everything organized. Once you're in the folder, add items by dragging them in or using New File Upload. Folder upload is faster for nested content. If you prefer, create a new Google Doc, sheet, or slide directly inside the folder so it's saved in place. After upload, sort and organize. Create subfolders, select files and use Move To, or right-click and choose Move To place them exactly where you want. Make sure file names are descriptive, so finish by confirming sharing and that everything uploaded successfully. Select the folder or file, click Share, and set Viewer, Commenter, or Editor access. Copying the link is a quick way to distribute access. If collaborators need editing, grant editor access specifically. Finally, verify uploads completed and names are correct. If something failed, check your Google Drive storage quota and any file size limits. If problems persist, refresh Drive, retry the upload, or clear browser cache before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.